The dog is the tail. We'll be busy.
Their life on the road. Whenever they're walking the street, they compete. Surprise!
Long ago, in a faraway land, there was a prosperous kingdom ruled by a young emperor.
Oh, yeah! Boom, baby!
He had a serious attitude.
You threw off my groove!
I'm sorry, but you've thrown off the Emperor's groove.
Sorry!
An evil advisor.
By the way, you're fired.
I'll take over and rule the empire.
And one major problem.
I'll just poison him with this stick.
Hey, Kronk, can you top me off, pal? Be a friend?
A llama? He's supposed to be dead!
Yeah, weird.
Take him out of town and finish the job.
Now, his only hope is a humble peasant.
Even Llama!
Even Llama? Where? You kidnapped me! Who would have kidnapped a llama? You're the criminal mastermind, not me.
What? Tell me Cusco's dead.
Well, it's not as dead as we would hope. Your Highness, I got you. You're safe now. Or not.
Don't touch me!
Why risk my life for a selfish brat like you?
Now I feel really bad. Bad llama.
This holiday season, the emperor's got a new look, a new partner,
We're gonna have to work together to get out of this.
Ow, you did that on purpose. You know, it's a good thing you're not a big fat guy, or this would be really difficult.
and a brand new groove. Walt Disney Pictures presents
Look at me in my bad self.
The Emperor's New Groove.
Don't tell me. We're about to go over a huge waterfall.
Yep.
Sharp rocks at the bottom.
Most likely.
Bring it on.
December 2000 in theaters everywhere. The Grinch. Jim Carrey is the Grinch. This Thanksgiving,
Say breathe.
the Rugrats are going to Paris for a family vacation in a strange and exotic land.
Bonjour. Welcome to your reptile.
They're seeing new faces,
Do you live in reptile land? Sure.
visiting new places, and they're going to get the biggest surprise
I'm gonna get some Bobby. I bet she's gonna be clean and cuddly and nice.
of their tiny little lives.
Where's those filthy little boogers? Nobody messes with my dumb babysat me.
Paramount Pictures and Nickelodeon Movies present
You babies are as dumb here as you are at home. Oui. Except him. He's speaking French already.
a Rugrats adventure of global proportions.
That's gotta be one stinky duppy.
Join Tommy, Chucky, Phil and Lil, Angelica, Baby Dill, and introducing the newest Rugrat, Kimmy.
Wow, I've never been on this ride before. Yay!
The Rugrats are going to Paris,
Hold on, guys. I got the wedgie.
and Paris will never be the same.
Look, up in the sky. It's a nerd. It's a pin. It's Sally Cop.
Rugrats in Paris, the movie.
Which one of you babies put your poopy diaper in my suitcase? Somebody got up on the wrong side of the bread.
It's a dangerous world out there. And when it's time to fight high-tech espionage and international terrorism, the most powerful leaders in the world call on one man. Because only he can call on them.
Good morning, angels.
Good morning, Charlie.